Yes.
More than
Sir, please. Yes.
Permit to mention, my lord. My lord will aware about the fact that, my lord, Group C, Group D online application is going on.
Yes.
Last date is 3rd.
Third.
My lord is well aware the fact that the Supreme Court in their judgment gave the age benefit to all untainted candidates. But they only give benefit to the untainted, not specifically tainted teacher. So, my lord, we are entitled, we are wait
C
candidate.
and D, they are not giving the benefit.
Not giving the benefit. So
All
that's
right.
why, my lord, necessary, my lord, kindly
Tomorrow.
keep it, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, very well. Day after tomorrow, and in that case, serve.
Yes, I will serve, my lord. That's why, my lord, I will.
Day after tomorrow.
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to mention on second?
In Group C, Group D category, my lord, they only publish the tainted list of 3,512 candidates. According to the judgment, my lord, 6,304 candidates, they are OMR manipulated. My lord, I will show, my lord. Yes, I will canvass, my lord. So, my lord, at the time. So, my lord, on
Day
card.
after tomorrow.
Grateful.
Item number.
No, why upgradation?
Lordship, the petitioner has been participated in the examination date 2011.
Yes.
Lordship, and the respondent authority already issued appointment later, Lordship.
So
but they did not have taken any step, Lordship, till now.
you have been issued appointment letter.
Yes.
Then what are you? Why are you coming to court? You've got the appointment letter. Go and join.
Lordship, the respondent authority does not do anything.
Sorry, you are not ready. No inclusion.
Lordship,
Give the numbers. Give the numbers.
Your Lordship was pleased, kindly remember, your Lordship was pleased to grant me leave in respect of matters where my teacher's code was required. Your Lordship was pleased to grant me leave to move today, my lord. The matter is, my lord, 1679, my lord. The interview is on. If I get that teacher's code, then I'll be entitled to the 10 marks.
Who is going to give you the teacher code?
My lord, my contention is that teacher's code cannot be a mandatory field because we are, my lord, persons who have been working in the recognized minority institution.
No, sir, I'm not upgrading. Let the matter remain over there because the SLST matters are going on. And
kindly here's that also. If my in 10 marks goes, then I'll not be. This will be in
so just
but
wait.
if doesn't go, then I'll be entitled to 10 marks.
Wait, because the entire issue is there before the court.
Yes, I understand. But then let this be also taken up along with this
the
group
contractual
matters.
Appointments, central government, the and
yes, I was there in the previous matter. Then let this be taken up along with the bunch.
Let it remain with you when those matters are taken up, just not at the time of mention. Please wait.
May I hand over the slip?
No, keep it with you.
I am mentioning new transfer matter for inclusion in the list.
No inclusion, sir. I'm mentioning it.
So may I permit to mention that in the monthly is 1155 that petitioner is 87 years old. I'm paying for retail benefit, my lord. Petitioner is paying for retail benefit.
87 years old.
87.
He retired in 60 years of age, right?
60.
Right. 27 years. What was he doing?
His representation is given.
Representation. Sorry, I'm refusing.
Permit to mention on second SLST matter where the petitioners have been deprived of their 10 marks regarding their prior teaching experience. Your Lordship is taking up similar matters. If your Lordship is kind enough to tag this matter with those.
Is it there in the list?
Lordship, not yet.
Not yet.
Your Lordship.
All right. Give the number. When did you file it?
Your Lordship, last week.
Last week. This is second SLST matter. Aki banche dhukiye deben.
Grateful.
Your Ladyship, kind leave to mention this is a restoration application, Your Ladyship.
You want inclusion?
Yes, Your Ladyship.
Please do not mention. No.
Maybe permitted to mention a matter for upgradation. It is in the monthly list as item number 16.
Why upgradation?
Ladyship, the candidate was a participant of the SLST 2025 and there has been some problem with the appointment and the results. So
appointment given 2025?
Not appointment, Your Ladyship, with the examination.
Yes.
During the examination, he had some problems and he could not attend to it because of the payment process. There was a problem in the payment process.
Right. Payment process was in month of sometimes in September.
Yes, Your Ladyship.
September or maybe prior there too. Why are you here now?
Your Ladyship, after that, the petitioner had made representations for the
give the number. It to be mentioned, Raghavan. to be mentioned.
My lord,
Serve notice upon your other side.
my lord, upon notice to the other side, I am mentioning item number 989 of
For what?
today's list for upgradation.
Why?
My lord, petitioner participated in this TET examination of 2011. He qualified. Thereafter, my lord, he called for verification. Verification done. They assured that the appointment will be issued. So till date, my lord, nothing has been.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Please wait.
My lord,
Please wait.
for 4 matters for transfer and 2 pension.
Give the numbers if it is there in the list.
It is not a list.
Lord, kindly to mention an application for recalling. My lord.
You want enlistment? Sorry, sir. You are already out of breath. You've come and I'm refusing prayers.
There is some
I'm sorry. No, sir.
My lord, there is some urgency in a contempt, my lord, case.
Including neither am I upgraded.
My lord, there is extreme urgency.
No, sorry.
Kindly, my lord, consider
For
lordship's order.
for motion.
No inclusions. Call the
My
list.
lord, your lordship's order, my lord, restraining a party from carrying on construction, my lord. My lord, there's a building now coming up in violation of your lordship's order.
Yes, 7. Mr. Anjan Bhattacharya. Item 7. Is it your matter? Not your matter? I dismiss it.
No.
Abhishek Kumar.
Hmm.
What? Who?
My lord,
It's a 2021 matter.
only 1 day accommodation. I simply missed the my lord, list. দেখো না লিস্টে আছে মামলা।
Acha, other side, is anybody there? I've got an order sheet. Hearing for the first time. I'm told it's a 2021 matter. What is this?
My lord, the date is fixed on 4th.
And it was there in the list for the last 3 days.
No, the matter has been fixed my lord, on 4th. That's why my lord, দেখুন তো লিস্টে পেছনে লেখা
Who has fixed it?
may I get it? May I see the list?
Consider the-
লিস্টে লেখা আছে 4th.
You want consideration of annexure P3? Final order of transfer.
My lord, may I get only 1 day accommodation?
Not today.
Okay.
Or do one thing. I'll keep it day after tomorrow. You serve.
Absolutely.
Aspects of the other side.
No. Purely.
Keep it on the 3rd.
But I'm so sorry. But I simply missed it. দেখো না আরেকটা একটা
Time for the petitioner, my lord. It was that vocational teachers matter, my lord. On the last occasion, your lordship directed them to come back with instructions, my lord.
নাম দিতেই তো এসছো তুই তো।
My lord, one point was taken that we are not teaching the regular subject.
Humon.
Yes, he was, he saw him, my lord. It was
Yes, he mentioned
এই
what
যে,
matter.
ঠিক বাইরে দাঁড়িয়ে ছিল। ওই রোগা করে।
Whether the petitioners are serving against substantive
Yes.
posts or
My lord,
not.
I have taken instructions, but your lordship recorded that he is supposed to take the instruction. I have taken
My lord,
instructions.
I have
they are
also
not
come up
working as
with,
substantive post.
my lord, I have also come back with instructions, my lord. Firstly, it was submitted that we are not teaching regular subjects, my lord. My lord, this is a curriculum of the department, my lord. Kindly see the right hand.
What do you teach?
My lord, this particular subject, some teach Bengali, mathematics, my lord.
Those are
Kindly see.
vocational, not regular subjects.
No, these are vocational mathematics, vocational, in vocational stream we teach regular Bengali, regular mathematics and subjects. And my lord, see, kindly see the syllabus of 10+2. That is what I produce before your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see এই যে ভাই সিলেবাসটা বার করে দাও যেটা ওখানে
Any instruction, Mr. Dey?
My lord, these appointments, my lord, so far the notifications are in their engagement. It says my lord, that there is no work on this point of any substantive post. Moreover, my lord, kindly perusal page 24 of the writ application. How it has been fabricated and how, my lord, this is on state part, Mr. Bandyopadhyay will, and that the headmaster, how the headmaster can modify an appointment letter and issued in a duplicate 25th, 2025. First, my lord, kindly see
One minute. Page 24 is not a proper document.
Engagement is part-time.
Yes, it is written part-time.
Part-time, how it can be substantive post for a part-time? It is for ad hoc appointment. No, the feature of any substantive post are attributed to this. Next,
what according to you is a substantive post?
There should be a scale fixed. There should be a benefit, but there is only or ad hoc appointment to run.
What according to you is a substantive
is
post?
The regular teachers, like the regular teachers, the post is sanctioned. The post is created for a particular school or centers. It is created by the government. Here only this engagement to run the VTCs. No manner of any substantive nature has ever been given sanctioned by the government. Now this is a part-time, and next one, page 26. How the headmaster can say is modifying with reference
page 24 is from
part-time.
IOMS.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, RUMS, Kaushik Roy, remuneration detail, engagement status.
Yes, part-time. It is
Part-time.
mentioned
Next,
part-time. So
part-time.
where is the fake thing you say?
No, next
Page
one.
26.
Next, page
26?
26. Not fake, but how the is when modified, the manage the headmaster. He says
20, 27, 26 and 27.
26. 26. With reference to the, you are hereby requested to join in the said substantive post in which we have never been into this kind of appointment where headmaster is.
All right, this is
Next.
not.
Similar one is page 28. This part-time.
27 also.
27 also.
Third line.
Yes.
The substantive post.
This headmaster should buy an affidavit.
What do they teach? Mathematics. Page 27 teaches mathematics.
Vocational.
Vocational.
Vocational teacher.
That is only restricted to the VTC, Vocational Training Center.
Yes.
And these are not compulsory subjects also.
Will they not get the teaching experience?
No, they are not working as any substantive post. They are not teaching any compulsory subject. They are not in a sanctioned post also. My learned friend is absolutely correct. Let these headmasters who have issued these, maybe for the good of the teachers, I do not go into the intention, but let them come and give an affidavit that they are working in a substantive post. We'll take it up from there.
What is substantive post, my lord? May I learn?
Government has ever sanctioned. It is for the government to say none of we are for the council only. We can only just allot the fund after getting it from the government. But none of the we have been ever instructed.
You allot funds to the petitioner. You pay salary.
No, that is for the centers. And
center pays.
Pays our salary.
And
that may come. That is for ad hoc.
That may come.
Where from is the money coming? Who's paying the salary of the teachers?
The salary of the teachers obviously is coming from the government fund.
Yes,
from the school
Schools
fund.
are paying.
No, schools are paying is different. And one thing is.
No, you don't say school. You say center. School and center.
No, it is a vocational training center.
In a
It
school.
is attached with the school.
It is in a
Regular
school.
class, and whoever opts for the vocational subject, vocational higher secondary, they will be through these vocational training centers. And all their nature are the part-time. Someone is contractual, is part-time, and ad hoc fund is allotted. That is of 2006 government notification. There's a lump sum is allotted.
If there is no fund, they will not teach.
Yes.
And they do not get any proper pay scale.
No scale is there. Ad hoc, only on ad hoc conciliation.
But for example, your lordship may take one of the appointment letters, engagement letters at page 34. It's the wordings will give a clear picture, Malad. If I may place it in its entirety, engagement. This is one Rajkrishna Day. Engagement to the post of contractual teacher for the subject of MPAP.
Anyway, no use going into all these things. It is for the commission to decide whether it
May
is
I,
a
my lord?
course or
Only
not.
one thing, my lord.
The commission says it is not a substantive post. Now the court is deciding.
My lord, only one thing.
The
Firstly,
rules and everything, 10 marks
firstly,
you will get or not.
I don't understand where the petitioners committed any fake or fraud. I don't
No,
understand.
no fake or fraud.
Kindly see the
Secondly,
second bullet point of page 30.
admittedly, my lord, I am working as a part-time teacher and my salary is being paid from the exchequer, government exchequer. Now, my lord, only question which boils down to what is substantive post. My lord, it has been specifically stated by the Supreme Court what is a substantive post and what is to be.
See, the rule is under challenge, so right now it's no use going into all these things.
1984 SSC 226. My lord, here, my lord, Supreme Court says that whether temporary, whether part-time, it doesn't matter. The capacity in which, if the appointment is a regular appointment, process is a regular process, and it has been approved by a competent authority, it is a substantive capacity. The person holds the post in a substantive capacity. And in my case, my lord, all the three criteria are being fulfilled.
Whether prior teaching experience marks can be allotted in favor of vocational teachers.
Yes.
This is the issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Very well. Please come.
And my lord, on the last occasion, I have also placed a judgment passed by your lordship that vocational teachers are entitled to 10 marks for experience in respect of the last selection process.
All right.
Last selection of the 10 marks children.
2021 in 12th.
2011.
2011, 12th LST.
So teaching experience was there. You are
The
accepting.
petitioners are
So in Bengal it was there. You are accepting that part at least.
vocational teachers.
Yes, in Bengal it was there.
So
It
they
was separate.
participated in
10%
the
seat was reserved for
second SLST, 2025. Stop. They seek marks on account of prior teaching experience. Respondents, prior teaching as the petitioners do not teach in substantial posts, they will not be entitled to marks
My lord, I am
on
appearing for
prior
this
teaching
service
experience.
commission.
The issue as to whether vocational teachers can be treated to be teaching in substantive posts or not, enabling them to be awarded marks on account of prior teaching experience is to be decided. Stop. The process of credential verification and thereafter interview will follow. Stop. As the issue is under active consideration by the court, accordingly, any steps taken in the recruitment process shall abide by the result of the writ petition. Let us see what can be done. Do you all want to file a report or affidavit, something?
Malad, affidavit we may file. But Malad, any steps taken, Malad, vis-a-vis my lord the petitioners. Kindly.
Petitioners. Vis-a-vis the petitioners. Definitely not for all. Yes.
His voice is breaking up. I think.
Let the commission, the commission, comma, the state and the
Council.
vocational, now West Bengal State Council of Technical and Vocational Education and Skill Development file a report with regard to their stand, report by way of an affidavit, with regard to disclosing their stand within a period of by 12th. Huh?
Note करके रखो report देना.
It will be open for the petitioners to file exception to the same.
But we will also file.
Yes, sir, time has been given to you. Release the matter for further consideration on 23rd of December.
But we will also file.
It cannot be done.
Am I audible to your lord?
Your sound is breaking, sir.
Am I audible?
By that time, it may come to an end, my lord, every process.
Maybe, but then since the court is in scene of the matter, let us see what happens.
राहुल पे तो बोले था उधर होना ही अच्छा नहीं.
What is the next one?
मेरा नहीं है.
But for the petitioner, this is regarding mismatch in the model answer key and the question. Last occasion, Lordship directed the commission to come with a report. Before that, my lord, I have a specific. I have a specific submission to make in this regard. My lord, while going through the issues, various issues, we found 3 types of irregularities. One is when there is 2 options are possible. One has been considered, one has not been given importance in terms of the text. One category. Second category is the question itself is wrong or the model answer are not commensurate with the question or it is out of syllabus. 2. Third category is that when there could be a definite answer, but the marks has been given to all. These are the 3 basic categories. Before your lordship takes it up, I request only one page to take, page 74. There is one anomaly, it has been indicated subsequently. Kindly take page 74 for once. This is the final model answer key. It is beginning the, my lord, kindly see the final model answer written, page 74. 74, kindly see, there is something I found out that 75. Kindly come to page 75. Just take, for example, my lord, the left-hand side column, marks on attempt, lordship has found. Marks on attempt, then marks to all. Marks to all, marks on attempt. But a very pertinent question comes today. Why marks to attempt and marks to all? What is the difference? Why 2 separate expressions have been used? Now, meaning there, by my understanding is, marks on attempt means this question has to be attempted. Whatever answer you give, you get marks. 1. Now, marks to all. That means, irrespective of I attempt or not, anybody can get marks. Otherwise, these 2 separate expressions would not have been used in the model answer key. But going by this, whoever even leaves these questions would be entitled for marks. That cannot be permitted in a public recruitment process. Why these 4 questions? If I take one, this commensurate with 2, 3 questions are like this of marks to all. Marks to attempt is a different connotation altogether. My lord, I understand marks to attempt can be given or marks to all can be given to candidates where the question is disputed.
All right, let me hear them.
And
what
this
does
category
mean?
of, and only one thing, my last occasion, lordship wanted to see the objections I handed over. It was not inadvertently with the part of the writ petition. This is the preliminary objection I submitted. Which
has to come by way of
last occasion, your lordship directed to give the copies to Mr. Singh. I had handed over. To Mr. Singh. He had received. Yes, I sent it through what he asked me to give through WhatsApp. I sent that your lordship only wanted to see whether I had raised objection, and my lord, so far my questions are concerned, 2 are out of syllabus, 2 there are definite answers where option A and C both are correct, but option C has been taken. Another question where option A and D both are correct, only option A has been taken. 2 questions out of syllabus where all answers to be correct, but only one model answer has been taken. And my lord, rest 2, there could be only specific answer C, but A and C both have been taken by diminishing the competitive age and the level playing field. Now, my lord, the rule, it is very important, my lord. Just one line of the rule is very important. If your lordship kindly takes for once one line, I will just show. Kindly come to rule 11 for once. 11 Roman 5.
No.
Lordship has found Roman 5.
Yes.
But kindly see what is the language of the statute. The Central Commission shall publish in its official website preliminary model answer keys after the written test and may invite suggestions and or objections from the applicants. So the legislative intent was very clear, not only suggestions at the discretion of the authorities, suggestions and or objections. Both word has been used very specifically, not only suggestions, but objections when there are specific answers. Now kindly take the proviso. It says, provided that suggestions or objections must be submitted within 5 days after publication of such model answer keys and should be supported by at least 2 authentic academic publications. I have done so. But I pose this question to myself. What is the purpose of obtaining the books, textbooks, taking the objections and taking fees for it? If you do not entertain these individual questions, if you decide on your own, I pose this question to myself.
1 minute. They were directed to revert with a report.
Yes.
Is the report there?
The report is ready, but it is being affirmed, I'm told. Number one, and I will circulate the report. May it be taken up on Wednesday, Thursday.
All right, that is all right. But then page 74 of the writ petition, the final model answer key is annexed. What does this mean?
75.
Marks to all and marks on attempt. Page 75, you'll get it.
We'll have to take instructions and come back.
Does marks to all mean that there is no requirement of answering? No. That means marks to all, 1, 2. 2 marks will be given to everybody who appears in the examination.
Yes. Appears so.
No, you have to answer any one of it.
I didn't get it.
Assuming a marks to all situation subject to correction, it presupposes someone has to answer that particular question, albeit wrongly, so as to enable him to get that full marks.
No, that means marks on attempt. What is the difference?
We'll have to come back. We'll have to come back.
My humble submission, this is
I have to come back.
The manner to do charity to candidates to give marks.
Brother, I am appearing this. Brother.
Yes,
Brother,
please.
I am appearing.
This is
am I
item
audible,
number
brother?
2.
2. Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
I know. Brother, there is a report. Your lordship will find it.
Yes, the report is not handed over.
Because it has not yet been affirmed as yet.
All right.
There is a huge cloud. What has happened, I can just tell you, lordships. In short, I am telling you.
No, I do not want. Let the report be given to the petitioner because petitioner doesn't know what is there in the report.
Correct.
He needs to come back. Only
Yes.
one query. If you please come to page 75 of the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
This is the final model answer. There are, apart from the marks, there are certain words written. Marks to all and marks on attempt. What is the difference and what does the two mean?
My lord, if it is an out of syllabus, then marks to all.
That means out of syllabus.
Marks out of syllabus, they have marked, they have attempted, then in that case they will get it. Anyway, my lord, I will get the more clarification, I will come back. That would be better.
In that case, there are 2 questions where there are out of syllabus. That 2 had to be considered as marks to all. Then
no, out.
Those are not the ones reflected over here.
Yes.
Marks to all. 32.
Yes.
Is it an out of syllabus question?
32. I tell you, lordship, this is that would be.
Is not an out of syllabus. My lord,
this is
question is, my lord, whether in the preliminary objection He has raised the objection or not?
Yes, he has.
He has not raised the objection in all the questions that we are discussing
this is
in
not
the
correct.
affidavit. Well, no, I am not correct. You are only correct, brother. Allow me to
Some
speak.
report directed to be filed by the commission
One thing, 4th is the date of
is yet to be placed on record.
this order of your lordship.
Stop. Let a copy of this. Let a copy of the same be served upon the learned advocate representing the petitioners for reverting with an exception. Stop. Release the matter on 10th of December.
My lord,
Certain matters are fixed on 10th.
The very, my lord, 4th is the date of verification. Your lordship has granted some relief in the previous matter.
That relief will remain.
That is abide by the result of the.
Yes.
I have handed over the copy of your lordship's order.
And you please file a supplementary annexing
Very
this
well.
because
Yes,
the submission is that
Yes,
you have not filed your objection.
I'll clarify. May
It
I
is granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to file supplementary affidavit annexing document to show that objection was raised.
But we are annexing his objection in our report itself.
I will also do it.
What
I'll
he
also do
is
it.
saying
So I
in the
need to-
mirror, we will show what he has been pleaded in the writ petition that is not correct in every cases when
I'll
our
show
report will
in
come.
my supplementary.
He is going on something basis. His
Supplementary
objection is
affidavit?
something.
Yes.
To be prepared and circulated by 4th.
My lord, that relief may be given, my lord. This abide by the result. Otherwise, I'll be that order your lordship passed. It was not there in the previous because today your lordship fixed it because
All
4th
right,
is
please
there.
come. It has been submitted that the process of credential verification and interview is on. Stop. Next. As the matter is being adjudicated by the court, any steps taken by the commission in respect of the petitioners shall abide by the result of the writ petition.
Grateful. My lord, may I take
this
back?
document
May I take
back.
back? May I take back?
It okay, Dilo, please return.
Grateful to your lordship.
Yes, 3.
Item number 3 after the petition. Can I recollect the matter? This is that a transfer matter of the teacher who is the mother of a 4 months old child. My lord, as the last occasion directed the commission to consider this transfer.
Yes.
My lord, this matter, my lord, we have considered this matter. She is on leave up to 21st. 21st is entitled to get it. And within this time, kindly keep it pending. We will consider her case within this district itself. And kindly keep it after 21st. I think, my lord, that this matter will be considered by us.
After 21st, let her give the name at least.
No, this is, my lord, we have to find it out. She is already on leave on up to 21st.
Right.
But before that, your lordships can also keep it.
Yes.
Near to 21st.
All right.
But this matter will be considered by us, Miller. That's
all right.
Chairman has said so.
Learned,
And we are trying to find out
Senior
the
Counsel
vacancy
representing the commission submits upon instruction that steps are being taken to locate a school close to the residence of the petitioner where her name can be recommended. Stop. Prayer has been made to adjourn the matter for the period during which the petitioner is on leave. Stop. On such submission, release the matter for further consideration on 18th of December.
I can hand over the the list of schools which schools are nearby the petitioner.
And they are vacant?
No, Miller, that
give a copy to the learned advocate, they will take instruction. Take down one line in the other matter. A list of schools handed over by the learned advocate for the petitioner where vacancies are allegedly available has been handed over by the learned advocate for the petitioner to the learned advocate representing the commission for taking necessary instruction. Yes, item 5. 4. 4.
The last occasion, the order was passed on 28 November. In para 3, there is a direction to produce the OMR sheet.
All right. Yes.
Lordship, this is the sample one. This is a sample how the OMR sheet is there. But as far as the petitioner is concerned, Lordship, the scanning which was done by the OMR was truncated, or rather half has come. But the salvation is that the marks answer string, whatever answer that, Lordship will flip the page. This is known as answer string, Lordship, and whatever is there in the OMR sheet, that is replicated over here as to how many answers he has given or he has attempted. So from this we can
ascertain
cipher
right.
that he has answered 15 questions out of 60, attempted rather.
24.
And then, Lordship, my lord, kindly comes to the last page. The marks which have been assigned to him is 8. Lordship will kindly see the ultimate page, the last one. Marks at the bottom. But, my lord, what we understand is from the... he has attempted 15 out of 60 and he has got 8 marks. This is what is there. And he has been shown as he has got 54 marks, which is not tallying with what is there in the OMR sheet and the answer string. So there is a 8 and 54. So
lot of difference.
Lot of difference.
Published OMR marks. How could the commission publish the OMR marks of the petitioner as 54 when he, according to the CBI, attempted only 16 questions?
That is why it is OMR mismatch. Therefore, that is the result. That is the OMR mismatch. He is an accused of OMR mismatch, and he is a tainted candidate. Whatever is given to us.
I understand, but then 54, one who has attempted only 16, yes.
My lord, kindly peruse the OMR sheet, because what is the OMR sheet, my lord? This is the original OMR sheet. Well, I believe my learned friend, my lord,
the OMR
it will be.
which I have handed over
What is the answer string, my lord? I will explain because I know it very well. My lord, what is the answer string, my lord? In just that OMR sheet.
No.
Listen, whatever you say,
yes,
if the CBI says that it is the thing, then the court has to believe it.
My lord,
and
two
disputed
things.
questions.
Yes, my lord. Two things is that, my lord. What is answer string, my lord? That is a software. From that OMR scanning, that answer string, my lord, will evolve, my lord. That is my understanding, and that is the fact, my lord. If the OMR sheet is not properly scanned, my lord, answer string never be arose, my lord. My lord, kindly see the other person's OMR sheet. This is a cropped OMR sheet, my lord. That might happen, my lord. The OMR sheet is somebody else, my lord. Because this is not a full OMR sheet, my lord. Kindly see
whose OMR sheet is
why
this?
why I say so, my lord. Kindly give this one, my lord. I just compare it with others, my lord. Kindly see the signature portion.
Where is the petitioner's OMR?
Yes. Kindly see the signature portion. I will compare it.
OMR can be ascertained
Yes.
from the barcode.
No.
It is the two copies
There is no such
handed over.
There's a barcode, I am told. The barcode will.
No.
Yes.
My lord, what OMR, as far as whenever OMR is scanned, it goes by these which have been filled up. Now, my lord, as soon as this is scanned, it replicates in the answer script as to how many questions have been attempted, and accordingly marks are granted. No. Now, my lord, it cannot be a situation where only half of the OMR sheet has been scanned.
Yes.
Maybe the copy which is available with us is truncated, but
this is not his copy. Is it
this
his
is a copy signed by him and the barcode.
No, my lord, it never be. Why? Because of that, there is a 4 column. And the signature portion ended in every OMR sheet in this last portion, my lord. It never be possible to signature portion came within the 2 columns. My lord, kindly see. This is the original OMR sheet. Others, this signature portion, my signature portion is that, my lord, where it is ended my lord, and this column, my lord, this my lord, QR code column, it is in a last portion, my lord. So QR column came, and that two columns goes. My lord, this kindly see this QR column. My lord, compared with each other, my lord, this QR column comes, and this two column goes. It never be. Kindly compare with each
Just
other.
wait. The court is trying to ascertain.
May I make it in ABDB, my lord? I will take
Yes.
instruction.
1 minute. Yes.
Now, my lord, what my learned friend is trying to impress upon my lord is the barcode and the answer script barcode are matching. What has happened is, if this entire sheet is taken, it has been truncated from here. The signature is there, the barcode is there. Now, my lord, if my lord kindly sees it, the signature is there, this particular portion. Lordship is not there. If my lord kindly takes up
Yes,
this.
yes, I can understand that.
My lord can, now, my lord, but what happens is the entire OMR is put under the scanner at one go, and automatically whatever answers are attempted come on the sheet. Now, my lord, accordingly, that particular answer string is there, and the barcode is also in totality stated there. My lord kindly takes up the last page. That barcode matches the last four digits are 7755. My lord, so this particular argument being made from the bar that half the sheet has been, because half the half sheet has been scanned, that tantamounts that half of the answer string denotes that. That is not the fact. That is not the fact. If it is scanned, it will be scanned as a whole, because the system works on binary. If anything goes wrong, the system will not take it.
All right, please.
That is how computers work.
My lord, two things is that, my lord, my respectful submission is give this copy, but answer stick is something else, my lord.
All right, please come.
My lord allows me. May I take my lord leave?
Yes. The Deputy Solicitor General has produced before this court the truncated OMR sheet of the petitioner bearing the barcode and the barcode number along with the answer string. Stop.
They never published
The
to others.
according to the answer string, the petitioner attempted only 16 questions out of 60 questions, and he got 8 marks. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner disputes such contention. Paragraph. Let a report by way of affidavit be prepared by the CBI and circulated to the parties. Stop. By 12th of December. Today is the 1st. Release the matter on 22nd of December.
Only one thing is that, my lord, last day of online application in 3rd December, my lord.
But then
abide by the result of the petition. That's if I succeed, not succeed, not succeed. But online, if I file the offline also, my lord, give that opportunity. My lord, that doesn't mean I get the.
All right, as the name of the petitioner features in the list of tainted candidates, accordingly, no direction can be passed permitting the petitioner to fill in the application form, which is on only till 3rd December 2025. Stop. In the event the petitioner is able to succeed in the writ petition, the necessary order will be passed in his favor. Necessary order will be passed, not in his favor, but passed. Yes, next.
Grateful one. Good. Extremely good. 5 by 8.
But here, when it kindly turns to page 30, when I joined in a school as an assistant teacher, where I worked for 6 years. Thereafter, my lord, I lost my job. My lord, your lordship will find my approval letter, page 23. Page 23 is the District Inspector of Schools, Murshidabad. Now, after the judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord, I lost my job. If your lordship turns to page 30.
Yes.
Now,
He lost his job, how will he get it?
the total marks I have obtained is 56. Cutoff marks is 62. My lord, my category has been mentioned as general. Though, my lord, I made a representation, but I have mentioned that, my lord, I am a OBC B category. I am not a general. My lord,
What is your grievance?
but the OBC marks at OBC B added marks, it has not been given to me. This is my case.
OBCB added marks mean?
But the cutoff marks, kindly have a look to page 31.
What is the cutoff in OBCB?
But that I have mentioned in detail, Malad, in page 33. Reservation of OBC as per my valid certificate, Malad, the commission has not given that benefit to me. That is my case.
What benefit?
Malad, your lordship says paragraph 8 once. Malad, I have mentioned in paragraph 8.
Paragraph 33 is only mentioned that update my
No,
application
paragraph
category
6 and paragraph 8 of the writ petition.
from general to OBC. And
Now,
page 33, how was it submitted? There is nothing, no proof of submission of this page 33.
This has been sent online.
Online?
Yes.
Where is the proof?
That I don't have, but I have the instruction, but this has been sent online to the commission.
The commission granted at least 3 opportunities for updating the caste category. Where are those? Did you avail the opportunity?
According to my representation at page 33.
No. Your representation will not do. You have to show something that you availed the opportunity. Otherwise, it cannot be given.
Kindly have a look.
Well, kindly look to the page 28 once.
Page 32 once.
Kindly look into page 28.
Yes, 28.
Category general.
Category general, yes.
She has written it as general.
You have mentioned yourself as general category candidate. Page 28. See?
Yes, I'm on
profile details. Then how can it be you be treated and there were options given to update? You did not. Please come. The petitioner participated in the second SLST TET 25 candidate TET 25 recruitment process, disclosing herself to be a member of the general category. The commission published at least 3 notices giving opportunity to the candidates to update their caste details. Last of such opportunity was given on 22nd September 2025. The petitioner failed to avail the said opportunity for the reasons best known to her. After publication of the final merit, after publication of the interview list, the petitioner seeks direction upon the commission to treat her as OBC B category candidate. Such prayer of the petitioner cannot be allowed. The commission has already treated the petitioner as a general category candidate as per her disclosure in the application form. Had the petitioner applied in response to the notices published by the commission for updating the caste details, her Prayer for updating her caste category could have been redressed by the authority. Stop. There is nothing on record to suggest that the petitioner approached the commission for upgrading her caste category. Stop. Next, in view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioner in the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Next.
Let's 6, where page 20 is my letter of approval issued by the District Inspector of Schools, Purva Bardhaman. Number if your lordship kindly turns to page 30. But the experience score
is 0.
Educational qualification score is 0. But I worked for 6 years. I'm a SC candidate, Mala. I made 2 representations, page 31 and 32.
You are SC candidate?
Yes.
And you have been treated as SC?
Yes.
All right. You only want the marks on account of prior teaching experience. Yes, please, the commission.
In this case, when she was filling up the form in 9-10, she had disclosed her experience. So for 11-12 is concerned, she did not disclose. Kindly come to page 26.
Well, 11-12, Balod will find at page 26.
11-12, she has page 26.
Yes, 9-10 is at page 27.
How come you have filled up page 27 giving your experience and not page 26 without any experience? If you do not disclose your own experiences, the commission go and hunt as to who has got the experience. It is impossible.
Let page 29.
My lord, your lordship has been pleased to pass an order on
9th August,
November 2025.
Yes, page 28. What is
29?
29. What is your submission?
Confirmation, and thereafter I have edited the portion on 9th August. And it turns to be the page 29 top.
No, editing the portion regarding only the caste. Other details, could it be edited?
Well, yes.
So it will be open for experience details from 5th August to 11th. Where is the document to show that you... Page 29.
At 28, kindly have a look to the notice.
Yes, 28 I have seen.
Yes.
This is 1st August. When did you edit?
Well, at 1st August, I edited on 9th August. No, 29.
Edited on 9th August and time was till 11th. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, page 28 is a notice for updating the experience details, which the petitioner claims to have done in page 29 within the time.
Well, this is the letter he has annexed, but this is not really edited.
This is not edited?
No. But if required, I will again check up and I will come back to a lot of.
All right, please check up.
I will again check up, page 29.
All right, please come.
Again, I will check up and I will.
Petitioner participated in the second SLST 2025 recruitment process.
Excuse me, page 29 is an email. This is not a form of edition, editing of.
No. This is my representation.
OTP for edit confirmation is such and such, valid for 5 minutes. Page 29, it is mentioned.
I will check it. Give me time.
Yes,
I will
please check up.
I will check it up and I will come. Page 29 instruction.
Right. She claims mark on account of her prior teaching experience. Stop. It has been submitted that she submitted the form for editing editing her experience details in terms of the notice published by the Commission on 1st August 2025. Stop. Reliance has been placed on page 29 of the writ petition in support of such submission. Stop. Paragraph. The learned counsel for the Commission seeks time to revert with instruction. Stop. The list on. When do I keep it?
Kindly keep it, Ajay, please. Kindly keep it on.
Today is Monday, first.
Fourth.
Fourth. Thursday, fourth. Yes. It a Yes.
7 minute. Here also, while it comes to page 31, but I made a detailed representation on 18th of November. But the result regarding
Representation
910.
for what? Experience code. This is also experience.
Yes, but this is 910.
910. You served in a deputation vacancy. Not
Deputation vacancy.
Not in a regular post or something.
Let page 23 have a look.
(23)
Yes, is my I am Sudipto.
You are
Sir, my appointment has been approved against the deputation vacancy, but I am an approved teacher. On deputation, I have been sent to a different school.
All right. And from 2013 you are working?
Yes.
Valid up to 15/5/24 or until the teacher joins, whichever is
My
earlier.
initial.
And you are working still now?
No, I have lost my job.
You've lost your job.
Page 19 is
No,
my
but
initial.
then if your date of appointment is 2013, how could you lost your job? Did you participate in the 2016 recruitment process also?
But yes. 2016 recruitment also.
Why don't you revert to your earlier job?
But may I take a short adjournment for this matter? But I have not been posted with the facts.
Because there is
Absolutely, your lordship is absolutely right. Absolutely, I have the option to go back. But may I only one day accommodation? Tomorrow, may I come back?
Bro, only kindly see the page 30. Page 30.
Yes, page 30.
Yes, it is his application. Kindly see the first Horiar High School, 10th August 2010 to 15 May 2011. Not completed. Fragmentation is there. Then Odalbari High School, 2nd December 2023 to 13 May 2014. Fragment service. Then Kebalpara High School, 1st March 2017 to 30th June 2017 and 1st September 2017.
Petitioner, please see whether you'll proceed. You've got only 30 months teaching experience, it says. Your letter.
May I come back tomorrow?
If there is a chance of repatriation.
Understood. May I sit with my land advocate court? I was not posted with the facts.
Please come. The petitioner participated in the second SLST, 2025 recruitment process, and he seeks marks on account of his prior teaching experience. Stop. From the document annexed at page 23 of the writ petition, it appears that the date of appointment of the petitioner is 2nd December 2013. Stop. The petitioner claims to have lost his job due to the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the 2016 recruitment process. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to revert with instruction as to whether the petitioner seeks to proceed with the writ petition or would prefer repatriation to his earlier place in accordance with the leave granted by the Honorable Supreme Court. Lot of questions, whether you were there in the 2016 process or not, and everything.
I've gone through the mind of the court.
When do you want to come back?
Tomorrow, they are.
No, tomorrow it cannot be done.
Fourth.
All right, fourth.
Great.
Well, in item 8, I have an application for addition of party. The only difference is here, this is for non-teaching. Similar, why is challenged?
Virus challenge, but apart from that, my lord, the selection process, the online application form is going on, my lord. This matter relating to, my lord, group C, D, non-teaching staff, my lord. I have twofold prayer. First, my lord, they plotted the advertisement. It will be kind enough, my lord, go through the advertisement. Page 62. Sorry.
Page
62.
62. Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes, yes.
Second, third, fourth, fifth paragraph. Because for curtailment of the time. Eligible candidate with the minimum qualification may apply online only and by no other mode through the official website of West Bengal Central School Service Commission. That website is mentioned. Now in bold, very pertinent. It is clarified that candidates, the word is very pertinent, who have been identified as, within quote, tainted candidates in terms of judgment and order dated 3rd April 2025 in civil appeal number 4800 of 2024 will not be eligible to apply. Now kindly see, my lord, the judgment which is annexed with my writ petition, page number 68. Specifically, para 25 onwards, page number 96, 68, para 25. 25.
Page number 68, the judgment starts and you want...
And relevant, which I want to show, my lord, that is page number 96, para 25.
96. Yes.
In the written submission filed on behalf of our WB-SSC in this court, two tables have been furnished. Table 1 pertains to candidate who either jumped rank or were appointed despite not being in panel. Their details are as under. Now, my lord, group CD, these two categories, rank jump category 132 for group C and group D, rank jump category 237. This is given by the WB-SSC. Now, out of panel but still appointed 249 for group C and 371 for group D. In summation, 381 for group C and in summation, group D 8606. Now, kindly come very next table, table 2. Category A. In group C and group D category, my lord, kindly see the in bold portion, number of candidates, again candidates, with alleged OMR score mismatch as per CBI image. How many? For group C, 3,481. And for group D, 2,823. If I add these two tables, the number came out, because if I add that group C and group D, that rank jump out of panel and this OMR mismatch, the figures came out 7,293. But after filing this writ petition, the West Bengal Central School Service Commission published the tainted list of group CD candidates. Kindly see this list, my lord. Because this is a bulky one, first 4 page and last page, I, my lord, submitted
3,512.
My lord, kindly see what is the judgment, what is their advertisement, and the
What is the addition you said?
my lord, kindly see group C, group D, rank jump category 132, out of panel 249, comes out 381. So 381 plus 608 plus 3481 plus 2823. So it came out 7,293. They only published 3,512 candidates. So other candidate, they want to again corrupt this selection process. They says, out of that, whosoever got appointment, they only feature that. And that too, without giving any details. Under which category, who are they, nothing. My lord, you remember in 9, 10, 11, 12, my lord, same thing happened. And not only that, my lord, there are several categorical, my lord, tainted. One is rank jump, another one is OMR sheet, another one is out of panel, another one is expiry of the panel. So which category they fall this tainted category candidate, that is not mentioned, my lord. And I have specific prayer, my lord. Furnish whosoever the candidates who are tainted, who are not specifically tainted. And not only that, my lord, regarding OMR division manager, there is a specific direction by this court, my lord, in para 363 subpara 3. Publish the OMR sheet in pursuant. আরেকটা কপি দাও আমাকে না সব কপি দিয়ে দাও সব কপি দিয়ে দাও সব কপি দিয়ে দাও OMR sheet 363 subpara 3 for public viewing. They not published it intentionally, and the apex court, my lord, uphold that judgment. I will place that para also, the conclusion portion, para 45.
And this direction is in respect of teaching, non-teaching,
all. For selection process. They not even published that 2016 OMR sheet. They published by cutting that candidate. Because of that, my lord, what happened? Suppose, my lord, there is a dealings, 10 lakhs. Out of 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs was paid. So wait listed is there, but not get appointment. And not only that, one interesting fact is that, my lord, kindly see, this kindly compare these two tables, para 24 and para 25. The total recommended candidate by WBSSC in Group C category 2037, and the OMR mismatch itself in Group C category 3481. In Group D 3880 is the recommended candidate, 2823 is the OMR mismatch alone. So in Group C category, whatever the candidate recommended, but OMR mismatch is higher in number, but they again fill up the form in this present recruitment process, and they specifically barred it. But who are that barring candidate? They never disclose it. And another thing is that, my lord, 5 marks, the experience marks is challenged. The same way, my lord, I adopt the submission which is in Bhim Sarkar matter and Lubana, my lord. That's my, so, my lord, my respectful submission in this as an interim measure, my lord, 2 things, because otherwise this selection process is also be corrupt, my lord. One thing, publish the tainted candidates list with all details. Number 1. Number 2 is that in pursuance of court order, my lord, publish the OMR sheet for public viewing. Because of that, very recently they published another notification. They says, because they want to do this matter in transparent way, they says whosoever wants to give information regarding tainted candidate, they can contact with advocate on record. That is their notification regarding publication of 269 candidates, because of in pursuance of my lord's order, which is upheld by the apex court. If I want to, any citizen wants to indicate a tainted candidate, then they ought to, given the any instances, how could the citizen will gather it, or any candidates will gather it? If OMR sheet is not published.
All right.
Categories.
For the addition of party.
Who are you?
The other cases, here there is, I am falling within the category of no controversy. In a sense, I am completely untainted, and also there is a controversy which is being decided by your lordship, whether after panel expiry they also come
within the category of tainted candidate.
In this case, I am appealing even not for that. But all I pray is that following your lordship's order, it may have a cascading effect that I want to be added as a party.
Yes, addition is all right.
And on the point of tainted, whether the panel expiry or not, I have one request, not because I'm appearing as this matter, because this will have a direct impact on the other matter lordship is hearing. So I would be humbly requesting your lordship that once for all, whether panel expiry is really tainted, if they are tainted, one way, lordship may decide in that way, because suddenly if lordship decide as if they are tainted, then this submission is not valid for the applicants in this matter.
No. But right now, the initial interim prayer that he is seeking is to publish the list of the candidates. So,
not only that,
this court has directed, let it be done.
And
then
one thing is that, this matter, is regarding
non-teaching
non-teaching stuff, the more candidate, that is OMR sheet mismatch. That is not only expiry of the panel. So it is evident from the WB SSC's evidence itself, report itself, because it is quoted in the judgment itself.
Yes.
So they want to give opportunity to those candidates who would not get appointment.
Yes,
And
Mr.
category-
Bandyopadhyay.
But then his whole petition is only restricted to OMR, not for any other things.
No, other things are
Candidate
there.
and not professor.
Immediately, the what is troubling the petitioner is that day after tomorrow is the date, last date for filling in the application form, and the Supreme Court has reminded this court to ensure that no tainted candidate slips in. This is exactly the wordings of the Supreme Court's order.
Correct.
Now, page 96 of the judgment of the Supreme Court in the earlier matter, 3rd of April, that has been placed, where you have made a panel, table, in fact, 2 tables. One in respect of the table 1, either rank jumped and everything, and the others, OMR mismatch, and out of B who have been appointed. Right. So why don't you publish the details of these candidates as per the court's order?
Look, there was no court's order earlier. The division bench, which has been paragraph, which has been placed to your lordships, that means I will place it, but Supreme Court has not passed that order. And this point was raised before the in a contempt application before the division bench presided by Justice Basa. In the contempt application judgment, the division bench said that order has been merged with the final order of the Supreme Court. Therefore, the contention or submission that the directions of the division bench to publish the all that OMRs, etc., that is no longer there.
Sir, this submission of yours was considered by this bench on the last occasion, and direction was passed for publication of the panel, including the details of the candidates. And possibly this was there before the Supreme Court also, right? And the Supreme Court has passed order to ensure that none of the tainted candidates.
Correct. I am not disagreeing that.
So please disclose the list.
I am not with that. I am not disagreeing. The submissions of the petitioners, the division bench order directing the OMR, all the OMRs have to be disclosed. That is no longer there. That I am submitting.
And my lord, in the advertisement itself, they mention in bold letter. They mentioned WBSSC mentioned. Kindly see page number 62.
Can I make my submission finish?
Yes.
Otherwise, can I make
Mr.
my submission finish? Yes. Then, in that case, if your lordship directs to disclose, we have there's no we will disclose, because we are maintaining extremely transparent system.
Yes, please do.
Only one thing kindly, that on the other day also I mentioned that only to this extent, part by part I have to do it. I cannot do it at a time.
No,
otherwise,
but then this is the last day of filling up the form. It's day after tomorrow. Matter is pending.
Matter is pending. If anybody in the tainted list, his candidature will be cancelled.
Very well.
Yes. But give me that space, oxygen, so that I can part I can do it.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is capped.
Lordship has been pleased to grant me leave. I am challenging that particular list. One order of the Honorable Division Bench of this court has not been brought to your Lordship's notice with regard to which defines who will be the tainted candidate. My contention, today your Lordship has granted me leave, so Lordship passes any orders after hearing that will be my...
Listen, the division bench of this court?
Yes, division.
No, but then the Supreme Court order, I understand, is the final thing.
Supreme Court has upheld the order passed by the division bench presided over by the Honorable Justice Devanshu Basa.
No, thereafter, last week.
Handed over.
Of the order passed in Boishagi. First,
yes.
Without uninfluenced.
Has been that in that matter, my lord, the division bench order has been upheld. Subsequently, also there is an order passed by the Honorable Division Bench by the presided over by the Honorable Justice Somen
Whoever presides.
Yes, subsequent order, which specifies who will be the three categories of tainted candidates. The list that they have published, my lord,
I am the issue is right now only for publication.
I'm
This
challenging that list.
This list of
3,512.
3,512 candidates
Yes,
non-teaching.
I'm challenging this list, my lord.
He is also challenging this list.
I'm also challenging.
No, he is challenging on a different footing that this list doesn't include the other.
That is separate
This is an
interpretation.
incomplete list. This is his submission.
Is that this list is erroneous in view of the
My lord, with your lordship's leave, my lord, can I just leave for few
All
few
right,
minutes?
all right,
My lord?
all right.
My lord, my contention is that this list is erroneous in view of the fact that it has taken into account the other categories also, which has been clarified by the Honorable Division Bench subsequently.
Later on, I'll see.
Yes.
But then your matter will also be considered. Not that
Yes. That is my.
it will not be considered. It will be considered. Acha.
Tomorrow the matter is there, my lord. Lordship has been pleased to grant me.
Very well. The commission is here. They will come ready.
Lordship may kindly.
Acha.
There is an observation of the Supreme Court also in the 29th August order.
Yes, please read out because this compilation is coming to me in each and every matter, and my records are going up.
26 November.
Yes.
Then August which says it further states that
this matters.
if any tainted candidate slips through the net
Yes.
and manages to appear in the test,
Advocate on record.
the notice dated so and so issued by the commission stating eligibility, ineligibility of candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage, would come to the aid of the commission in weeding out the
This
tainted.
is what Mr. Gondopadhyay said. Assuming that somebody slips, it can always
It
be
can
verified and
always
the
be
candidature
rectified.
cancelled.
But they consciously, in this matter, they consciously not given that details who are not get appointment because
All right.
untainted
All right.
candidates and tainted appointees is the different.
Matter relates to the recruitment process conducted by the West Bengal Central Civil Service Commission
Something is for the YouTube also.
in respect of Group C and Group D posts.
Instead
Within
of
bracket,
Group C, so
non-teaching.
instead of Group C, it could be Clerk and Group D.
Acha, Clerk and Group D.
Because we although says it's Group C, but at least
Non-teaching staff. ঠিক আছে? Reference has been made to the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket State of West Bengal versus Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Chatterjee. It's 3rd April 2025 order. Judgment. ঠিক আছে? Wherein the court observed that none of the tainted candidates can be permitted to appear in the fresh recruitment process to be conducted by the commission. Stop. In response thereto, a list of tainted candidates in connection with 3rd RLST within bracket NT within bracket non-teaching staff, 2016 examination has been published by the commission. Stop. According to the petitioners, how many? One petitioner or many?
no, petitioners.
Petitioners.
There are
5 petitioners.
The list is an incomplete one. Stop. The paragraph 25 of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court has been placed in support of the submission that at least 7293 candidates in total have been found to be tainted ones whose names ought to be published by the Commission.
With full details in public domain.
Stop. The list published by the Commission contains names of only 3512 candidates. Prayer has been made to direct the Commission to publish the entire list of 7293 candidates along with their full details. Stop. Next. Learned Counsel for the Commission submits that the order of the Supreme Court will be complied with. Stop. The list of the candidates will be published. Stop. Next. The Commission. No. Paragraph 10. The recruitment rules pursuant to which the recruitment for the non-teaching staff will be held is also under challenge. Stop. Day after tomorrow being the last date for filling up the application forms, the court is not interfering with the matter at this stage. Stop. As an interim measure, the Commission is directed to publish list of all candidates
This order kindly passes after hearing.
candidates who have been found to have rank jumped, who are out of panel but still appointed, candidates with OMR mismatch.
And expiry panel.
The expiry panel Lordship is deciding.
And
matters will be affected.
For the time being, this category is enough.
Bas,
And the expiry panel kept it open, produce it. In other matter,
That is to be
should have 910. 910.
along with the names of the candidates, their roll numbers, their father's name,
Kindly hear passing
their
we will be stigmatized
their
for
father's name, the details of their appointment for public viewing. Stop. The Commission would be obliged to upload the details of such candidates in terms of the order passed by the Supreme Court, wherein the court specifically directed that none of the tainted candidates should slip in the recruitment process.
Placed in
Stop. The Commission ought to ensure that the recruitment process remains absolutely transparent, free, and fair. Stop. The candidates whose names may have appeared in the list of tainted candidates will not be permitted to take part in the selection process.
My prayer is that this is erroneously done. Lordship is giving publication orders
that is
for publication.
division bench judge.
Public is all right, but if it is erroneous, then the court can look into it.
So apex code is that
Yes.
pasted in the public
This
domain.
is the Supreme Court's order, sir.
That is the Supreme Court judgment.
Has not been specified by the Supreme Court. The category which of tainted candidates has been specified by the Honorable Justice Boshak's order, which has been subsequently interpreted. The mismatch category's entirety will not come. Kindly hears me on this.
I'll hear you tomorrow. Tomorrow the matter is there. The Commission is not aware of your matter. You will serve copy
Yes.
only.
If your lordship kindly
Excuse me, I
passes this
mentioned-
order today, my lord, if tomorrow if your lordship is the view that my contention is right,
Right.
then my lord, this my lord order, my lord, then
No, 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 already they already published.
No, they have
The
not published.
3,512 candidate already
They don't have to
published.
publish. That is my contention.
Less candidate published. So erroneous published. If that is erroneously published, already published.
One minute.
He should not raise
One
his
minute.
voice. If he raises his voice,
One
I can
minute.
raise my voice 5 times as well. He should not raise.
Is this the place?
No, well, that is what he's
There
trying
is
to
no
order. How do you
competition.
say raising the voice? This is not right.
There is no competition as to who going to raise the voice louder.
What he's doing. Kindly, I'm making my submission very
So,
politely for my client.
right. If your name is already there, it is there. I'm here. I'll hear it.
Passing order for publishing my father's name, my category, and everything.
Yes.
Now, if that lordship is aware,
Yes.
it's a huge problem
Right.
for life.
Right.
So before that, my lord, I am praying if your lordship kindly hears me. If your lordship is of the view that my condition is erroneous, let us say off with, off with. But there is a division order which specifies which is a tainted category, which is clarified. That has to be followed by the commission. It is binding upon all. The order passed
I'll
by-
hear you. I'm going to hear you tomorrow. Do not
But
worry.
by this time, my lord, if your lordship kindly, my lord, gives this order tomorrow, my lord, lordship passes this order tomorrow.
All right.
After hearing me, my lord, I'll be very much obliged.
And you are
Yes, I don't have.
participating in the recruitment process.
Because I am in the tainted list.
Yes.
I have been barred. In the advertisement itself, it is there that persons will be tainted. I have been barred. Since my name is there, I will be barred. I will not be able to participate. But further publication of father's name, the category, that will be prejudicing. So therefore, kindly hear me. But persons whose names are published are not before a lordship in none of the.
But then
I am only
the
representing that category.
I understand that
Whoever
means
mismatch or something, whatever they are saying.
tomorrow yours is the OMR mismatch. Next day it will be somebody else's the groups that have been found. Expiry. Then Mr. Dhar is there. Expiry panel.
Expiry panel is there in justice order by the honorable Commission. His lordship has pleased to make three points. First is the persons who are the tainted candidates. Persons who have submitted blank OMRs, that will be 20 or 21 in number in accordance with CBI. Second is the persons who are rank jump and the persons who are expiry panel. This is the three categories. It is there. It is there. It is there.
My lord, may I?
Because you are tainted, you cannot.
Yes.
You cannot deem me.
No, so let it remain. Tomorrow, let us see.
My lord, I just, my lord, another prayer and another thing, my lord, because of the recent apex court order, I just read 3 lines, my lord. The High Court shall also ensure that the list of tainted candidate is placed in the public domain
Yes, yes.
with full details, so as to ensure that this does not happen. So that is the apex court.
Yes, you give that also. It
My lord, kindly see that is the specific direction.
যেখানে বললাম লাস্টে দিকে না সুপ্রিম কোর্টস অর্ডার টু এনশিওর দ্যাট নো টেন্টেড ক্যান্ডিডেট স্লিপস থ্রু
29th August.
তা হচ্ছে ডেট হচ্ছে
26 November 2025.
ও এটা লাস্ট অর্ডার তাতে শুধু নাম আছে আর রোল নাম্বার আছে নাম আছে রোল নাম্বার ফর এক্সাম্পল রোল নাম্বার দিয়ে কমিশন চেক করে দিতে পারবে না ওরা
In Vivek Paria matters. Vivek Paria corrected matter.
Date is 26th of November 2025. সুপ্রিম কোর্টের অর্ডারটা
এটা তো
ঠিক আছে ইন দ্য ম্যাটার অফ বলে এটা লিখে দেবেন বিবেক পারিয়া
This is the order for which now lordship has to take the entire.
ওই মামলাটা কোথায় ছিল যে এক্ষুনি হলো
ঠিক আছে
My
applications will be allowed.
My lord,
Applications.
my lord, another, my lord,
can one be allowed and just like
Whose is can two? Yes, দুটো can allow হবে.
and we shall use an affidavit in
Yes,
operation
yes,
exactly in the
yes, yes.
my lord,
Meantime,
my lord,
names will be published.
এই যে 3 number applications have been filed seeking addition. Any order passed, department directed. Opposition reply. It a list for further consideration on
In the meanwhile,
6th January 2026.
my lord, expiry panel may be produced because expiry panel, because of that, my lord, that category is not mentioned. 3 categories mentioned. That is rank jump, not in the list, and OMR sheet. And expiry panel,
That is not there. Only one thing
My
that Mr. Lahiri is submitting, my lord, that has already been rejected by the division. No, it has not been.
I handed over, my lord. I handed over, my lord. This is the list given by the this notification is given by the SSC in 4th category, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, Group C and Group D, when the counseling was conducted and when the panel is expired. So according to this SSC's notification itself, my lord, there are several counseling held after expiry of the panel. That the expiry panel may be produced in this category also, Group C and Group D. Because my learned friend says it produced in other matter. Already my lord passed that order. It produced. So expiry panel might be produced in the next day.
This I am not joining an issue. Everything should be produced. Thereafter pass the direction.
It is not a matter of judges seeing. It is a matter of others seeing. Others seeing, the court will see. It is the commission who has all records.
Here there to assist your lordship.
Next, as regards the candidates who were given appointment after expiry of the panel, their details shall be produced before this court on the next date of hearing. Tomorrow your matter will appear. Give a copy to the commission. Let them come prepared. It is 6th January.
My lord, may I return back the division bench?
Yes.
Division, the bulky one. The bulky one. একদম নেই।
হ্যাঁ, নিচেরটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন, ফেরত দিয়ে দিন।
Because each and every matter it.
Yes, each and every matter it is required.
If my lord wants, they keep it.
No, I have it.
All in Sarkar.
Each matter I am marking it separately. There are so many heads, so many grievances. Everybody is separately marked.
Just to prepare a compilation for your lordship.
9.
Milord, only one request, Milord. 9 to 19, I'm told, are different matters, and the virus matter starts from 20. Milord, I am to address your lordship today, but my difficulty is, Milord, another virus matter, Milord, I am.
No, because the other petitioners will address the court today. The writ petitioners, Mr. Bhattacharya has addressed. There are others also, a few. They would also like to address the
Very
court.
good, very good.
Thereafter, you can come. In the meantime, I can hear the commissioner, whoever is available.
Milord, may I say this, Milord?
I have one.
He has some additional party or
Yes,
something.
whoever.
Lordship has heard the freshers.
Yes.
Who are basically the private persons. Though we are appointed, we also have lots of grievance against the School Service Commission for their institutional failure. So I have this prayer before your lordships. Lordship has heard the freshers. There are some others. They will make such submissions.
I'll hear you also.
Thereafter, if lordship take up the neutral party, the state and the SSC.
So you don't want to be heard?
I want to be heard. All
Later
I
on.
say, once the freshers complete,
yes.
Thereafter, who were in service, like
right,
whom I am representing,
yes.
kindly hear us. So
yes. So
I'm also for untainted service candidates.
Right. I'll hear you.
Yes. If you are
thereafter, you and then the reply.
Neutral party is the state.
Yes.
But could I?
You'll be there. You are the respondent
for both of us.
Because the respondents,
we have frankly been wrong by the commission.
Yes.
And the way they conducted this exam.
Milord, could I make this prayer? But your lordship hears, Milord, all the petitioners today. Yes, subject to Milord.
Yes,
kindly not take me amiss. Kindly not take me amiss. Hears all the petitioners today by the first half, if possible. Keep for me tomorrow, whichever time. It may be in the first half, it may be in the second half. I think one half will be sufficient for me. One half. And then here's, Milord, the SSC.
Well, that is fair enough.
Because since, Milord, I am.
Your rule.
Yes, it's my rule.
All right.
So once the freshers finish, then lordship can hear our grievance.
Yes,
and thereafter. Not that, my lord, we suffered because of the School Service Commissions. We are not sitting on the same boat.
Well, only one thing, my lord, in Group C, Group D, but I do not follow it because of that, my lord, because the selection process is going on. My lord, kindly record abide by the result of the repetition. Otherwise, my lord, matter.
My lady,
Yes.
please imagine.
Shall abide by the result
Of
of
the
the
Please
report.
imagine our
My lord,
students.
another thing is that
We have to teach. We have to fulfill all kinds of other obligations that teachers have, election duty, so on and so forth. And we had to take the exam that we cleared honestly the first time around, 6 years later, second time around, because of the negligence of the commission and the state. Frankly, my lady. Frankly.
I'll hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
and my lord, there is a petitioner two categories. One is freshers, and another is that my lord, 2016 deprived waitlisted candidates. So there is two category, my lord.
Yes,
in the
after
petition.
freshers, after wait list,
তুমি কি
they
8টা বলছো না
document
20
come
নম্বরটা
back to
বলছো?
who got the job
8
and
নম্বর
lost.
না 20 নম্বর কোনটা বলছো?
I'll hear everybody. Whoever has any submission, the court will hear. And the 31st is the date.
Correct.
But then since the court is hearing,
Rule 19 is there, which says that if subsequently found that recommendations have been wrongly made, misrepresentation, unqualified, non-recommended candidates, the commission has the
For
liberty
cancellation.
cancel. That is there. So these interim observations may not be required.
for the satisfaction of certain is required. So let it remain.
With request of respect, my lord, Rule 19, when the rule itself is intra-virus, rule is under challenge. So Rule 19 is a no application.
You all come prepared because the 18 has submitted that 25 rule. If it goes 19 comes, then 16, where
Yes,
he also
yes, yes.
be. So be prepared.
And my lady, on the issue of the 10 mark,
My lord,
will
only
my lady hear that today or will my lady hear that tomorrow? Just
It is going on.
yes. So you'll hear us on that issue as well. Today.
Only one thing,
Good,
my lord,
very good.
tomorrow Mr. Bhattacharya
You
will not.
challenging the rule. You are
Yes, my lady. I am
You are also
not. I am not challenging the rule. I am only challenging how I am being treated because of their
My lord,
negligence.
may I
Yes.
add one thing, because I talked to London Advocate General also, because tomorrow Mr. Bhattacharya will not be available. Prefix matter, because
when everybody is
no,
available, the court will hear.
on
There is
third, my lord, made with third, because
Because I have already given time for filing opposition also.
Yes.
yes, they are preparing opposition.
And I have
They are
to
prepared.
come down, my lady, from Delhi for this. So I would like to argue physically.
Right,
I
right.
mean, my lady, imagine.
Has been affirmed today itself.
So let things be in order. I know
Yes.
this take time. This is not
Yes,
something which can
Yes, yes, yes.
overnight.
So that-
Yes.
It will take time. Yes, exchange it. In the meantime, let submissions come because whatever you are submitting will be there in the opposition. I'll accommodate. Do not worry.
From 10:30 on Wednesday. Yes. Convenience of all.
I'll finish everything.
My lady, may I be allowed to argue between today and tomorrow whenever you can accommodate me?
Let me see.
Please, I'd be grateful for that. There is a
I'll keep it in mind.
yes, there's a constitution bench in Supreme Court, my lady.
Item 8.
9.
Oh, 9.
So, my lord, maybe it on third.
Item 9 is going.
Oh, grateful.
For the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Of the state respondents.
In this matter, the petitioner has challenged the non-disbursal of salary of January and February of the year 2020, Your Lordship, and has prayed for 10 years service benefit.
10 years service benefit.
Service benefit.
Section for
Filing and report.
Yes. You are for this.
For the state.
All right.
The
What does your report say? Dekho report ta. What does your report say? Did you serve copy?
No, I'm serving.
How will you know?
There was a area he was paying for area salary for a particular 2-3 months. That has already been done. At the time of affirming the affidavit, that was not paid. But I have specific instruction that has already been disbursed as well.
It has been disbursed.
And with regard to the 10 years increment, that, Your Lordship, I have specifically stated that a hearing took place and the school authority specifically stated that the petitioner was required to submit certain documents, which I do not know has been done or not, because ultimately it
has the petitioner been informed about the documents that he has submitted?
Yes. I have no document not yet submitted.
Not submitted. Why is the petitioner not submitting documents?
Can I get a copy of the
The
letter?
last letter.
All right. Please come.
Sure, I'll be praying for
Report by
certain
the
interest.
report by the Assistant Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Howrah. Filed in court today is taken on record. Stop. Let copy of the same be circulated. Stop. According to the school, the petitioner is required to certain documents for the purpose of dispersal of his 10 years service benefit. The documents required to be submitted has been handed over by the learned advocate representing the school to the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner shall do the needful stuff with regard to the report of the ASI, Assistant Inspector of Schools. It will be open for the petitioner to file an exception to the same. Release the matter for further consideration on 5th January 2026.
Lordship, a copy of the letters may be handed.
Yes, he'll hand over. Please give a copy to him. What is this report?
Well, this is in respect of item number 10.
Wait, at 10. This is 9. This is item 9.
9.
Yes, call 10.
Well, in this matter, I am for the state will pursuant to Lordship.
Similar matter, Your Lordship.
9th of September, Lord, we have prepared the report and money has already been paid to the petitioner.
No instructions, Your Lordship.
No instruction.
My Lord, kindly have a look at Art 2. Page number 6, my Lord. Art 2. Lord, it may be said
Claim.
on
This
12th
is got from the ADA to the DI. Right.
My Lord, the same being forwarded for the provisional and taking
Thereafter?
on 12th November, it has been sent to the my Lord, Treasury, my Lord, on that very day, my Lord.
How do you know it's gone to the Treasury? It has gone to the DI.
No, my Lord, when it was affirmed on that very day, my Lord, it was the instruction, my Lord, thereafter, no communication has been received.
All right. Ashwandegi, learned advocate representing the state files a report and submits that the arrear claim of the petitioner has been released. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to revert with instruction. Stop. Released on how soon?
15th, Your Lordship. 15th, my Lord has fixed another matter, similar matter.
15th.
A copy already circulated, my Lord.
Copy handed over. Next.
There is a claim for 18 years service benefit also, Your Lordship. The school has not granted that.
No. Lordship, according to the petition, there is a only for ADR salary of January and February.
Nothing more. 2 months salary only.
Yes. According to the
check up. If it is only 2 months salary, then you can come back earlier. Why 15th? Today is only 1st. You come back next Monday, 8th. All right. 8 Tarikh. No use of keeping it further week later.
And
Next.
But in the last order, it has been recorded the 10 years.
Based on this delayed payment, Your Lordship.
First, you see whether you've received the money or not. Then the question of interest. And when did it fall due?
January 2020. 2020.
All right. See whether the money has been paid. And the next one, 11.
Well, item 10 will record be kept to the record, Lord.
Yes. Report is on record.
Similar matter, Your Lordship.
Similar means?
Arrear payment of January and February 2020. And
I am respondent number 5 and 6.
Yes, what is your submission?
10 years.
Document not handed over till today.
Documents not handed
Yes,
over.
lastly circulated on 24th October 2020.
2 months salary?
2 months salary as well as 10 years service benefit.
Yes, service benefit.
So this is the copy.
A copy may be supplied.
My mistake is, my Lord, I couldn't file it.
Give it copy. What is your submission?
Sir.
Same order as 9. Same order as 9. Did you get a copy?
Yes, Your Lordship. Just no. The letter I have not yet received, Your Lordship. Copy.
What are the documents to be submitted?
We also forward this to WhatsApp group also.
To the teacher?
Yes. So annex in this copies.
Same order as 9.
এটা ছবি তুলে ওটা জেরক্স করে send।
12.
Sorry.
Item 12. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. Dismissed for default. Acha, for the petitioner on repeated occasions. Dismissed. 13.
No, I'm for the. But, I've retired on 30th September 2025. Second round of litigation. I was enjoying my postgraduate scale of pay from 1985. Now, at the time of retirement, they say I'm not entitled to postgraduate scale of pay, and therefore this has to be refixed. I questioned before this honorable court. This honorable court directed that there should not be any overdrawal deductions, but they directed to consider without, because this was there they have considered. That's now I'm challenging with your lawsuits by this petition.
Where is your other side?
That's why, my lord,
Where is
I've stopped again.
impugned order?
Impugned order at page, your lordships, 168. I just take your lordship that how they are misleading the.
So, but then this has to be decided upon affidavits. Otherwise, no scope. Please come.
No, affidavit order.
The reasoned order
Well,
dated
this is a
30th
petition of
October 2023,
24.
passed by the District Inspector of Schools within bracket Secondary Education, Paschim Medinipur.
Well, let them file a report so that I think your lordship, if you have placed the order, my lord, that would be the reflection in the affidavit. They
Is
say
impugned
according to
in
the
the
government order, I do not
petition.
get it. I have to satisfy your lordship that I am.
Stop. Mr. Shaurav Mitra's name is recorded as for the state.
Exactly, your lordship.
Where is
Lord,
he?
may I come back again?
No. Learned counsel for the state is not present. Stop. The legality and validity of the impugned order is to be decided upon affidavits. Stop. Let a report by way of affidavit disclosing the stand of the state be prepared and circulated by 23rd December 2025. Released the matter on 19th of January 2026. It will be open for the petitioner to file an exception to the report to be filed by the state.
Well, let it appear under the same
Shall be
heading, my lord. Otherwise, it will take long time, my lord.
taken on record.
It's a pension, my lord, release matter.
But earlier matter, your lordship recorded as identical as item number 9. But when an affidavit file could be kept with the record.
It will be recorded. What is IA?
IS doesn't, my lord, it affect. Let it be pending, your lordship, hear it along with the application.
What is
See,
the-
my lord, DI directed again to file the pension paper with the reduced rate. That's we have.
All right, next 14.
My lord, may I, my lord, as for order some, my lord, otherwise hearing it will be very difficult.
For orders means the court has to hear and then pass order. So I'll hear
Hearing your
you.
losses will not be possible, my lord.
I'll hear you. Without hearing, you want an order.
No, my lord, hearing and under the same heading, to be mentioned, your losses can also hear us.
Yes. If you want,
Otherwise, I would not have pressed you unless it's a pension matter.
you mention I am upgrading pension matters. Yes, petitioner.
Lordship, in item 14, there was a direction to file report, my lord. But
Peremptory opportunity granted to prepare and circulate the report. Give.
Lordship, we could not prepare because, my lord, the selection process relates to 2011, my lord. We could not manage to get the complete details of the petitioner, my lord.
This is
Details of the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
what details they want, millet? 2013, the first writ was filed, millet.
August 25, there is a direction for filing the report.
Yes, my lord. There is one extension also, my lord, on 14th
Yes,
November, my
but
lord.
then, from August, you all didn't do anything.
Lordship, we could not manage to get the complete. This selection process relates to 2011, my lord.
What are the details that you want?
Lord, the petitioner had prayed for the original OMR of the petitioner, my lord.
Not really. But in 2013, we filed a writ petition challenging the question and answer key of the millet, that selection process, millet.
that was order was passed in my favor. All writ petitioners have not got their appointment, were not qualified. Now, so far I am concerned, they said that the OMR is missing, and they asked me to provide the OMR that I have provided, and based on that, they are supposed to file report.
Lordship, we could not manage to get the complete.
What document do you require?
Lordship, whether the original OMR is available or not, and the assessment whether it has been done at the basis of the.
Because that is the reason. he
Whether
has
any
directed-
assessment is done on the basis of the OMR provided by the petitioner, my lord.
See, by this way, it cannot be done. What is the ultimate belief?
My lord, kindly keep it on next Monday, my lord.
In fact, the direction of the court was to give appointment. Now, only 1.5 marks short. Court has assessment. They have assessment. At least 6 question is wrong.
My lord, kindly keep it on next Monday. Whatever instruction is available, we'll put on record, my lord.
Today is Monday.
Yes, my lord.
Right, from August, you could not prepare. And you say by 1 week you'll be able to do it?
Whatever instruction is available, we will prepare it on that basis.
Instruction, there is a requirement of a report.
Yes, ma'am.
Your instruction is not sufficient. Do you have a copy of the OMR? Is it
Already
annexed?
given. Already given to them.
Is it annexed?
Yes, yes.
Which page?
At page 79.
Please come. The report directed to be filed by the commission has not been filed till date. Stop. Submission of the commission is that the OMR sheet, now that all documents of the petitioner are not available. Stop. The petitioner has annexed his OMR at page 79 of the writ petition. Stop. The allegation of the petitioner is that his OMR was not properly assessed, and he was not given marks in respect of 6 questions. Stop paragraph. The commission is directed to assess the OMR of the petitioner, which is allegedly annexed at page 79 of the writ petition, and revert with a report. Stop. Let a copy of the report be circulated by 9th December. Release the matter on the 15th.
Last occasion when the matter was taken up, I submitted a similar, same selection process. Other writ petition is pending to tag both the matter together.
Give the number. Not recording an order. এখানে হবে না.
Yes, ma'am. This determination. It's a group of
Yes, yes. Are you aware of this matter also?
Yes, my lord.
Are you preparing a report in this matter? The other one?
There is a direction for filing affidavit that they have not filed.
Please make it ready. It has been served.
Report is done, my lord.
All right.
If it is
that
done.
be so, then the next day when this matter will appear, the other one will also appear.
Grateful, my lord.
Next.
Right, number 15, I appear for the petitioner. But there was an order passed by this honorable court for service upon the state as well as the commission. But what I have gathered from my junior my lord, that the service with regard to the commission was affected, although she is not carrying the affidavit of service. And the service of the state could not have been affected because there is a change of guard with regard to the learned advocates. They are not anymore in the panel. But I was
Please come.
praying that 1 week's time may
Let
be given.
notice be served upon the learned advocate representing the state respondents. Stop. Release the matter in the combined monthly list of January 2026.
Grateful.
All respondents to be served
Yes.
prior to the adjourned date.
Grateful.
Lordship, I am appearing for the commission led by Dr. Patel.
Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
Oh, thank you.
স্কুল কমিশনের জন্য কিন্তু নেই স্কুল কমিশনের জন্য তো আমি নিয়ে কিন্তু
If matter pertains to compassionate appointment of a legal years of a deceased headmaster of a school. My father expired in the year 2014. My elder sister made an application unmarried. But unfortunately, she was also expired just one year after in the year 2015. And consequently, I made an application. My application was considered by the authority in the tribunal of rejection at page 44. Kindly sees the order passed is cryptic, unreasoned, taking into consideration of DA and MA also, and without taking the pensionary benefit, family pensionary benefit of the our family. So, my lord, kindly see page 45. Backup has been given. This backup is not in tune of the 2009 rules, and I am forfeited by a judgment of the Honorable Division Bench held in the case of considering the rule itself that DA and MA should be excluded. Otherwise, rule is redundant because at the initial point of time, Group D's salary is 11,000 something else. It is fixed. But at the age of 55 above, after getting 3 or 4 ropas, deceased employee must have been higher. If that is counted, that it is not coming within the purview of less than. If your lordship kindly take the Honorable Division Bench. এটা তুমি একটু নিয়ে নাও, আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোমাকে, আমি পড়ে দিই। Kindly take paragraph 3, interpretation of rule, and another Honorable Division Bench also interpreted in that way. May I read for? The rule has been quoted in paragraph 3, short judgment. On plain reading of the said rule, rule is 2009 rule, same. Computation of the income of the family provident fund, gratuity, 40% of the family pension of the first 7 years shall be excluded. We are not referring the other portion of the said rule as they are not relevant for the present purpose. The question arises whether dearness allowance and medical allowances can be treated as a part of the income of the family. The rule has clearly stated that if a family member has the income earned any other sources other than provident fund, gratuity, and 40% of the family pension, that could be taken into consideration in addition to 60% of the family pension earned by a member of the deceased family, determining the financial hardship. This rule has not
Tell
been.
me one thing. This impugned order is dated 24th of June 2020.
2020.
You filed the writ petition on 28th of March 2024. 4 years delay.
Yeah.
How do you explain it?
Yes, my lord, may I take? I believe another writ petition was filed due to some writ petition. Reasons it was withdrawn or something else, and thereafter it has been. But even then, I have challenged the impugned order of 2020. A delay, I believe.
Delay in a matter of compassionate appointment is fatal. The person expired in 2014. We are at the end of 2025. 11 years already gone. Why will your case of compassionate appointment be considered?
In case of vice versa, my father expired in the year 2014. Decision has been coming 2020. They have taken a decision after Justice Nagaratta's judgment is.
So
here.
what?
They have taken a decision.
They may have delayed, but then you cannot sleep over your rights.
So far as beneficial legislation is concerned, subject to correction, there are a lot of judgments are there.
You want to come ready? Come ready. Please come.
My lord.
The matter relates to appointment on compassionate ground. Stop. The employee concerned expired in the year 2014. Stop. The impugned order rejecting the prayer of the petitioner is dated 24th June 2020. Stop. The instant writ petition has been filed in March 2024. Stop. There is no explanation regards the delay in approaching the court. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to come prepared. Stop. In view of such submission, release the matter in the combined monthly list of January 2025. 26. Service is taken on record. Next. State, please come prepared on the next day. 17.
17, I am for the petition. But in this matter, relating to the in this matter, in the CPF to GPF area pension interest. Petitioner was filed, and then petitioner was died, my lord. And he has filed substitution application, my lord. And but my lord, after 56 days delay, my lord. My prayer kindly allow this substitution application. This is my humble prayer.
No, but then CPF to GPF
area pension interest. That matter also.
area pension interest is pending before the division bench.
My prayer must kindly allow the substitution application.
Substitution application.
This is my humble prayer.
All right. Where is the application?
Yes,
Acha.
my lord.
Acha, acha. Please come. The issue in question as to whether interest will be payable on account of delay in grant of the benefits on conversion from CPF to GPF is pending consideration before the Honorable Division Bench. Stop. During the pendency of the writ petition, the sole writ petitioner expired
13 December 2024.
on 13th December 2024. Stop. An application for restoration has been filed on 7th May 2025. So there is a delay.
56 days. Also, section 5 also application file, my lord. Next application. And application can number 2, my lord.
What is the reason?
The reason is, my lord, paragraph 6, my lord.
An application for condoning the delay in filing the application for substitution has also been filed. Stop. Being satisfied with the explanation in approaching the court at a delayed point of time, the application for substitution stands allowed. Stop. The department is directed to substitute the name of the deceased petitioner with the heirs of the writ petitioner, details of whom are appearing only one. Appearing in paragraph 3, page 5 of Can 1 2025. Stop. Substitution shall be effected at the earliest, but positively by 24th December 2025. Stop. Liberty to mention the matter after judgment/order is passed by the Honorable Division Bench. Can 1 and 2 allowed?
I'm grateful, man.
Affidavit of service is taken on record. Next.
The petitioner, kindly note the date. The date is very vital. The petitioner was appointed as an assistant teacher from 12/1/1981 to 31st May 1984 in a St. Mary's School. Thereafter, he was appointed as an assistant teacher from 1st June 1984 to 13th January 1981 as a principal in the Sacred Heart School. Thereafter, he was appointed as an headmaster from 14th January 1991.
Listen, you want your pension.
Yes, sir. What happened, I told you, I was initially rendering service as an assistant teacher in a delegating school, in the first two school. Thereafter, in the 91, I was working as an headmaster in the Danton school. I was retired in 2015. Now, a pension paper has been sent by the school authority. No, they did not take in action to grant this pension.
I moved a writ petition before this honorable court. Court passed an order that you made a representation, let the representation be considered by the authority, and if any order is passed in favor of the petitioner, necessary consequential relief be given to the petitioner. Now the DPGG passed an order, since your two schools are the delegated school, your service will not be counted as a reckonable service for getting the pension. Now, my lord, this, you also know, there are series of judgment by this honorable court that the service in respect of the delegated school will be reckonable for the purpose of getting benefit. This is the judgment, my lord. First, kindly see the judgment.
I'm going to copy to you.
The bottom, my lord, last the paragraph.
Which portion?
Kindly see last three paragraph from the bottom. As such, the government order, as you got it.
Yes.
Dated 9th April 2006, in my considered view, has no application in the facts of the instant case, as admittedly, the petitioner initially served in a delegating school and thereafter in the aided institution wherefrom he retired. As such, the petitioner's right to get pensionary benefit, which enumerates from the government order dated 20th May 1980, cannot be denied by the state respondent. The court holds that the concerned district inspector school misinterpreted the provision contained in the government order dated 19th April 2006 and the government order dated 8th January 2007 respectively. The impugned order is absolutely illegal, and as such, the same cannot be written on record. The impugned order stands quashed. The concerned authorities are directed to count both the period of service of the petitioner in delegated school as well as in the aided school wherefrom the petitioner retired as a reckonable service towards the pension in terms of the government order dated 20th May 1988, and the pensionary benefit including all area pensions shall be granted to the petitioner. Now, relying upon that order, now next, my lord justice, finally see this order.
Show me the order dated 30th July 2012 in WPA 3783.
$2,007.
3783 2007. Order is dated 30th July
2012.
Where is that?
What is that one?
Why? Mr. Singh, what is your submission?
My lord, I will already have on the last occasion I handed over.
I have this.
Report, my lord.
You are relying upon the 19th April GO.
According to DTI, so for the that's GO 136 in B, dated 15/5/1985.
Prior to that, paragraph 5. Paragraph 5.
1985.
Paragraph 5, please see 19th April 2006 GO 131.
He's not entitled to what
This has been set aside. This is the order that your learned friend is producing. Go through it and come back. This has been set aside.
Give me 2 days time, my lord. Let me
Please come.
have the instruction, man.
The petitioner was initially serving in a DA getting school, and thereafter he joined a government-aided school. Stop. On his retirement, his service in the DA getting school has not been taken up for consideration for calculating his pensionary dues.
Here, my lord, here nothing has been considered.
Yes, stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the same. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the order dated 28th June 2012, passed in the matter of Jai Shankar Singh versus State of West Bengal and others.
In this matter, my lord, already the since August 1997 to 30th September.
Judgment dated 24th August 2017 in the matter of Shilpi Bose versus State of West Bengal and others. Where from did you get this order? The WPA number is not mentioned.
Through NET, I collected this order.
No, the WPA number should be there, otherwise he'll not get to know.
But that is not available through NET.
How can it be that the WPA number is not there?
Nothing is there.
You check up, please.
Not even the signature. I mean, the person.
Signature? Whose signature?
Let him, my lord, let him serve the entirety.
No. Check up. It is there in the server, he says. What entirety?
Let me find it out. And the my lord, the thing is, my lord, see the last 2 lines. And his service from August 1997 to 30th September 2007 have already been considered an acceptable. Qualifying service and pension benefit. This is not the case that nothing has been paid. Has been considered.
What about from 81 to 97? 81 to 97, what will happen to that? To allow the learned advocate representing the state respondents to come prepared, release the matter on 5th January 2026. Combined monthly list. Service is taken on record.
Next matter, my lord, I am praying for withdrawing the petition with liberty to file application. Next matter.
Why?
But last occasion, your lordship directed to file a supplementary affidavit annexing the case list of 2012 documents, madam, and also certain things which has not been included in the petition, madam. That's why I wanted to withdraw the same and file to afresh on the self cause of action with better particulars.
Call 19 once. Please come. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks leave to withdraw the instant writ petition with liberty to file fresh writ petition annexing all documents which will be relevant for effective adjudication of the instant list. Stop. Leave prayed for by the petitioner is allowed. Stop. And the instant writ petition stands dismissed as withdrawn. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to file fresh writ petition upon proper and better particulars on the self-same cause of action.
But I'm for the statement. I don't know that.
না শো একটা তো বেজে গেছে দুটো
Before this start, I'll take like 10 minutes to add one point.
In which matter?
SSC matter. That
the petitioners will make submission. It's not that the respondents, it's the petitioner's turn. Thereafter, addition of party is there. Yes. Thereafter, I'll hear the state, the commission, and everybody. So we'll join after recess.
Good.